What's going on, everyone? We're back again with another repair. This is Hector from Ezekiel Tech. And this PS5 actually came in for no power. So there was a surge at the customer's house, and when they tried to turn on the PS5, it wouldn't come on at all. So in this area, that fuse at F7003 was blown. So this is a good indication that the short is in this area. And it was this cap that you see me soldering right now that was faulty. So I replaced it with another one directly from a donor board that we had. And we also replaced this one as well. And the short was gone. I had to replace these two caps, and we also replaced that fuse. We need that fuse. And since we're already working on the board, we might as well just swap out the HDMI port while we're in there. Looking nice and crispy. So it makes a rock solid connection. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in so you guys can see. Yeah, and if you're new to the page, welcome. If you're a long-time follower, we appreciate you. We appreciate all our customers that come in and support us. We greatly do. That's why we always take the utmost care when it comes to repairs. And we will continue to do so. If you guys need repair, you guys know what to do. Give us a call, visit us on our website, or send us a text.
The best you ever had when you picture us. She don't let it ring more than once when you mention us. Cartier rings posted all up on